Well, look who moseyed back. Howdy again, partner. Last time we learned what a quadratic is. Today, we find out what one looks like. 'Cause every quadratic, every single one, draws the same shape when you graph it. We call that shape a parabola. Parabola. Sounds fancy, I know, but it's just a big ol' U. A curve that swoops down, hits bottom, and swoops right back up. Like a smile, or a soup bowl, or the brim of my hat. First thing you gotta know, that U can point two ways. Remember A, the boss riding on the x squared? When A is positive, the U opens up. Happy little smile. Holds water like a bowl. But when A is negative, the whole damn thing flips over. Opens down. A frown. Spills your water right on your boots. So the sign of A tells you which way she points. Positive smiles up, negative frowns down. Simple as that. Now, every U has a turning point. The very bottom of the smile or the very top of the frown. That spot where the curve quits falling and starts climbing, we call the vertex. It's the most important point on the whole dang curve, the heart of the parabola. Remember that word, vertex. And here's something real pretty. A parabola is perfectly symmetric, mirror image symmetric. Drop a straight line down through that vertex, and the left side matches the right side exactly. Fold it in half, it lines up perfect. That magic mirror line's got a name too, the axis of symmetry. Runs right through the vertex, splitting the U into two matching halves. So far, we got the U shape, which way she opens, the vertex at the turn, and the mirror line down the middle. Stay with me now. Here's where it ties back to last lesson. You remember we solved quadratics to find x? Well, those answers, the solutions, are exactly where the parabola crosses the floor, the x-axis. Right where the curve touches that horizontal line, those crossing spots are your answers. We call them roots. And here's the kicker, partner. A parabola can cross that floor three different ways. She can punch clean through it at two spots. That's two answers. She can just barely kiss it, touch down at one spot and bounce back up. That's one answer. Or she can float clean above the floor and never touch it at all. Zero crossings. No real answers. Curves too proud to come down. We'll dig into why that happens further down the trail. One last little thing, then I'll let you breathe. The size of A, not the sign now, the size decides how fat or how skinny your U is. A big ol' number for A? Skinny, steep, narrow, shoots up fast. A tiny little number? Wide, lazy, spread right out. Same shape, different waistline. And that's a parabola, partner. Picture a ball you toss across the corral. Up, over, and back down. That arc? Parabola. A stream of water from the pump? Parabola. Even a good long spit off the porch. All parabolas. Quadratics are everywhere you look, once you know the shape. So next time somebody hands you a quadratic, you already know its face. A U. Opens up if A's positive, down if A's negative. Vertex at the turn, mirror line down the middle. Crosses the floor twice, once, or not at all. And those crossings are your answers. Quick gut check before you ride off, greenhorn. 1. If A is negative, does the U open up or down? 2. What do we call that turning point at the very bottom or top? 3. A parabola floats clean above the x-axis and never touches it. How many real answers has it got? Chew on those. I'll be on the porch, working on my spit technique.